Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Imagine your website is a house, and the domain name, like example.com, is the name on that house. But at first, your house didn't have a name. It was known by something like plot number or society area. That's your IP address. It's hard to remember. And there might be other houses with similar addresses. That's why you choose a custom name for your house, but you still need to link that name to your actual address. Similarly, in the digital world, you need to connect your domain name to the IP address of your hosting account to make your website accessible using the domain name, just like you would register your house name with the local registrar's office. Here, you need to add an A record in your domain settings that points to your website's IP address. But here's the challenge. Setting this up manually can be really confusing, unless you're using YouStable. YouStable makes it super easy to connect your domain, manage A records, and get your site live without the tech headache. We've got blazing fast servers, 24/7 human support, and pricing that won't burn your pocket. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, YouStable is the home your website truly deserves. So, why wait? Give your site a proper address with YouStable, where your online journey begins. Now, let's dive into today's tutorial. You can add a record using the cPanel Zone Editor option. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click the Zone Editor. To add a record for the domain example.com, click the +A record button in front of the domain name. Now, enter a name, and cPanel will automatically add the domain name. Enter the IP address of the server, where you want to point the domain. Click the Add an A record button. That's it. We have successfully added an A record for the domain example.com. It may take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect. Thank you for watching.